Bismillah Rahman Rahim and Assalamu alaikum to all. This is Nasr School online teaching system. Welcome to class 3. The subject is science. I hope you all are well. Now, today's topic is define breathing. Taking oxygen into the body is called breathing. How different living things breathe.
Breathing in animals. In this module, you will learn how different types of animals breathe.
We have to watch a clip.
Sid has returned home after playing with his friends. He is breathing so heavily. It looks like he ran home immediately after playing. For breathing, as you already know, we all need air. Air enters inside our body through the nose. It then reaches the lungs with the help of windpipe that connects the nose to the lungs. Inside the lungs, there are numerous blood vessels. Through these blood vessels, gaseous exchange takes place between the lungs and blood. The oxygen moves from the lungs into the blood, while the blood releases carbon dioxide into the lungs. This carbon dioxide then moves from the lungs to the nose and then out of the body. Like human beings, all mammals such as cat, cow and dog breathe with the help of their lungs. Apart from mammals, reptiles and birds also breathe through their lungs. However, there are a number of animals that do not have lungs. They have some other organ for breathing. Let us look at the breathing organs in aquatic animals. Look at a fish. Since a fish lives in water, it has to take in oxygen that is dissolved in water. It has special organs called gills that help it to do that. Water enters inside the body of the fish through its mouth. When this water passes through the gills, the exchange of gas takes place between gills and water. The gills take in oxygen dissolved in water and release carbon dioxide. Like fish, tadpoles, prawns, and oysters also breathe through gills. Now, let's look at the breathing organ of an amphibian. A frog is an amphibian. It lives both on land and in water. On land, it breathes through lungs, whereas in water, it breathes through its skin. Next, let us learn about breathing organs of insects. Insects have small holes on the sides of their body called spiracles. These spiracles are connected to a network of air tubes that reach to all the parts of their body. Air enters inside an insect's body through the spiracles and reaches to all parts of the body with the help of this network. Different body parts take in this oxygen and release carbon dioxide that moves out of the body through the same path. Now, there are some other animals that do not have special body parts for breathing. Instead, they breathe through their skin. For example, an earthworm. Earthworms absorb oxygen and release carbon dioxide directly through their thin and moist skin. Let's recap. Mammals, birds, and reptiles breathe through their lungs. Animals like fish and tadpoles breathe through their gills. Insects breathe through their spiracles. Amphibians like frogs breathe through their lungs on land and skin in water. An earthworm breathes through its moist and thin skin. Amphibians like frogs breathe through their lungs on land and skin in water. An earthworm breathes through its moist and thin skin.
I hope you enjoy the clip. Now, how plants breathe. Plants take in air through tiny holes in their leaves. These tiny holes are called stomata. I hope you people enjoy the whole session and understood. Now it's time to get your homework. Write down the answer of the following question. Question number 1 is define breathing. Question number 2, how different animals breathe, such as fish, cat, and insects. Question number 3, how plants breathe. Students, you also have to read out the book as well. Okay, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, and be happy. Allah Hafiz.